Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review on the Jordan 1 High Black and Lucky Green. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back, I am back. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Man, I put a raffle in for my son, my 7-year-old Marquise, and the boy is happy, man. I ain't gonna even lie, I wasn't really feeling the shoe at first, but when I seen the shoe in person, man, I'm like, you know what? These shoes is fire, man. These shoes fire. And they sold out. But I got a call from my partner. He said he just bought them like 10 hours after they about 10 hours after they came out. And I'm like, damn, did they do a restock or what? So I went on Nike Sneakers app and they have them. I went on Foot Locker, they have them. So I'm like, damn, okay. So I'm thinking they made a lot of pairs, man, but I don't know. But the shoe fire though, man. You know, the shoe, your boy is starting to, you know, I'm feeling ones a little bit, man. Your boy feeling ones, but yeah, my son, the boy tried them on, and the boy was excited. He loved how they fit. He loved how they look on feet. Matter of fact, let's get them in here. Marquise, come here. Come here. Right here. Now, you like these shoes? How they look on your feet? They look good on your feet? They do? Y'all look at the camera. They look good on your feet? You like these shoes? You really like them? Okay, you can't wait to wear them to school? Okay, thank you. All right, I'm almost finished. So, he liked the shoe, man. So, I ain't gonna waste too much time. Let's go ahead and get into it. Man. Ooh, wee! This shoe fire, man. And my wife, she said she liked the shoe. But all week, she didn't really say nothing about it. But she said until she went and seen the shoe just like me, she said it grew on her. She said she liked it. And I told her, you know, better go ahead and get them right now, because by tomorrow, probably Monday, they're going to sell out. So this the shoe, y'all. This is the preschool size, preschool 13C, okay? So let's get started. All right, on the tongue, you have the Nike label right here, Nike label, black and green. So you have your leather upper, green, black Nike check, in white right here, white toe box area, black toe box area. Then if you turn the shoe around, the ass part of the shoe, you have your green leather ass. You see that? Okay, then you have Air Jordan right here on the side. You see that? Air Jordan 1 logo right there on the side, okay? And the bottom of the shoe, all green, slime, Nike. See that? So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did you get them or did you pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.